Tatakbong Imos, Lomtong. Up fake, pasa sa labas, Pelension, walang alinlangan, supply. Lomtong leans in for the layup.
Ball stays with Caloocan.
Kabanag off that screen. He hits the jumper. Bola na agaw. Turnover. Jeremer Kabanag. Reverse layup short. Pagsanhan cleans it up. And a bonus free throw coming up after getting fouled.
Get his confidence going. Etong si Harvey Pagsanhan.
Harvey, rim run. This is what he does best on the offensive end. Caloocan reaching the century mark. Still a lot of time left. Tayong Tong comes away with a steal. Manlangit will lay it in.
It's a rare time where Caloocan is playing all the players that played.
Kumbaga entering their third season na at the very least. 106-83. Caloocan, they're one of the OG teams. Meaning to say, season 1 pa lang nandyan na. May mga home games dyan dati, first couple of seasons. And Navotas was a team that was pretty much competitive before. Before they took a leave of absence. You have to check. They think. Naglaro pa dyan si Sunday Salvacion eh. I apologize if I...
Lagi pa namang nasa social media ni Dom Escobar yan.
talaga? Check nga natin. She came over from California, I believe. Nice to see. At matagal na rin siya dito eh. I'm not sure if pabalik-balik lang ba siya or yeah.
Please correct us if you ever will be watching this this coverage as for us to know the real name.
Palag pa rin yung team na yan. Saka ano eh, first couple of seasons nila, umabot sila all the way to the quarterfinals. And huling season nila was season 3. Nasa kanila pa si ano eh, kung maalala mo si Francis Bunsaya.
Oo naman. Oo naman.
Siyempre.
Ano yan? Part of the yan. Part of our elite down under group.
Alam ko si Francis nasa ibang bansa na yan eh. Iba rin yung crowd siya noon. I'm sure Coach Christian will tell stories about that tomorrow. The mission continues for them to bring the very first title to Caloocan.